Kelly here at Designing Link Salon on March 21st, 2011, and we're about ready to do our first video shoot. I'm just going to be doing a photo shoot, my first outfit, and the model should be here anytime. One of my stylists, Joseph, just showed up, so the girls are going to be here getting their hair and makeup done, and then I'm going to come back down here and do some live cuts. We'll see you at the shoot.